In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make Gamepass in Please Donate in Roblox on your mobile phone. This is very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open any browser and search roblox.com. Then Roblox website will open. Click here, continue in browser. This is home page. Now tap on create. This is Creator Hub. First tap on three dots on the top right corner and enable this option, Desktop Site. Now this is Desktop View. Click here under Experiences. Now click on Menu button on the top left corner and select Associated Items. From here, select the third option, Passes, and then tap Create a Pass. First of all, add a picture. I'm adding my channel logo. Then write name of your pass. I'm writing Boy Pass. Add description and then tap on Create Pass. Now you can see Boy Pass is offline, so tap on it. Then tap on this menu button on the top left corner and select Sales. First enable this option, Item for Sale. Now set price in Robux. I'm setting 12 Robux and tap on Save Changes. Now I will show you my pass which I created. Stand, and this is 12 Robux pass which I have created. You can see Boy Pass for 12 Robux. This is how you can make pass in Please Donate on phone.